What is going on today, guys? It's your boy KNIXX Gaming back once again today with another stream do-it-yourself video. Well, in this video we're going to be teaching you guys a free way to be able to add music to your stream without getting any sort of copyright strike or anything like that for your music. So without any further ado, let's jump in and actually show you guys how to do it. It's going to be really quick today. Very simple. If you guys are in the market to buy a new PC, make sure to check out Evolve Gaming and use our discount code KNIXX at checkout, and that will actually help support the channel here. If you guys want to discuss this further or discuss other topics further, feel free to hop on into our Twitch chat at KNIXX Official. Alright guys, let's show you actually how to get music into your stream. Alright guys, once again, all the links that you guys will need will be in the description below, as well as a brief any disclaimers or anything like that, just like every other video. Well guys, we're actually using Pretzel. It's actually called Pretzel Rocks. Again, it will be linked in the description below. Very simple to use, very easy to be able to add music into your stream because it plays through your desktop. So you just go ahead and make your playlist of the different playlists you have and add them, and just play them when you want them to be played through the browser. Now they do have an application. I have not tried to download the application yet, but apparently downloading it will actually let you download the song to be able to be used in like YouTube videos and stuff like that, which is, if that's the case, that's mind-blowing. But again, I have not used that, but I know people who have, and that's what they've told me. This is just through the website. So again, it's app.pretzel.rocks/player. Again, that will be linked in the description below. If you go ahead and sign in, you should have somewhere to sign in. When you go ahead and sign in, you'll be able to save playlists, and that's what I normally do. So I have my background music, so music for the background of just like ambient, like just chill kind of music. This was just for a specific stream that I did. Then we have our intro. We have one track right now, and then we have an upbeat, so like if we're trying to get people hyped. And then we have our ending, which is kind of like a outro, like it sees you out. So we've just gone through and added them to our playlist by going into here. Whoops, not that one. I believe it's that one. By going in there, we have now gone ahead and we can go ahead and choose whichever genre we want, and we click it and we just go through and find our songs that we want to add to the different playlists, and then away you go. You just add it as your desktop sound in your stream, which you should already have no matter what already coming through. You just have that and it'll just play over top, and very easy to use, obviously, and very easy to actually set up and have in your stream. Just a little disclaimer guys, if you I suggest you having small playlists, because chances are you're not going to be playing music for your whole entire stream. I suggest you have just little playlists that you have set up. That way, if for whatever reason, because people submit their music to this, so let's say someone submits their song to that and then they do use it on a CD or whatever, they could potentially copyright strike your video if that happened. But if it's already in your playlist, it's very easy to find out which one is actually in your playlist that's doing that, if you have small playlists compared to like a big playlist. So guys, and the chances are you actually won't get any sort of copyright strike. You'll just get a muted video if that happens. But again, I've been using this, guys, for probably like 7 or 8 months now and have had absolutely no issue with this. So guys, if you did like this video and you are liking our stream do-it-yourself videos, then make sure to like this video as well as leave us a subscribe. That way we know that these are videos you guys are liking. And make sure you guys comment below what tips you guys want us to cover and how to show it for you guys. And again, if you want to discuss this further, feel free to hop on into our Twitch chat at KNIXX Official. Until next time, guys. Peace.